The functional unit of kidneys are called nephrons. Nephrons are located in the renal cortex region, which is the outermost portion of the kidney, except for the loops of Henle, which descends into the renal medulla, which is the innermost portion of the kidney. Nephron consists of two parts, renal corpuscles and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle consists of Bowman's capsule, glomerulus. Glomerulus consists of fenestrae, podocytes and filtration slits. Renal tubules consist of proximal convoluting tubule, which is also called PCT, loop of Henle and distal convoluting tubule or DCT. Kidneys are made of millions of nephrons. Blood enters the nephrons where impurities are filtered out and emptied into the collecting duct. The purified blood leaves the nephrons through the renal vein. This is the structure of the nephron. It consists of Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, several capillaries, veins, arteries, loop of Henle and the collecting duct. So Bowman capsule is double-walled cup-shaped structure. Glomerulus consists of several capillaries. PCT leads from Bowman capsule to the loop of Henle. Then loop of Henle is a long loop which extends into the medulla, and then distal tubules connects the loop of Henle to the collecting duct. So from the Bowman's capsule, PCT enters to the loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is the main connecting tube between the PCT and DCT, and each nephron has its own blood supply which consists of arteriole, a venule, a network of capillaries. Each nephron releases fluids to a collecting duct which leads to a ureter. So how filtration of blood takes place, that we will discuss. Each kidney contains more than 1 million nephron, which is a structural and functional unit of kidney. So how blood flows through the kidney? Blood enters through renal arteries which goes to the arterioles. So each arteriole leads to a nephron where the blood goes to the renal corpuscle. The glomerulus filters fluid from the blood and is the first place where urine is formed in the kidney. Blood flows through the glomerulus at a constant rate. Each glomerulus is surrounded by a capsule known as Bowman's capsule. Blood then passes into renal tubules where some substance are reabsorbed and the remaining becomes the urine. So as the blood enters a nephron through the arteriole, impurities are filtered out and emptied into the collecting duct. The purified blood exits the nephrons through the venule. The mechanism of blood purification involves two distinct processes, filtration and reabsorption. So first step we will discuss filtration of blood. Passing a liquid or a gas through a filter to remove all the waste is known as filtration. You must have done this process in chemistry. Similarly, the filtration of blood is taking place through kidneys. The filtration of blood takes place mainly in glomerulus. So glomerulus is a very important part, which is a part of the nephron. Glomerulus consists of small network of capillaries encased in top of the nephron by a hollow cup-shaped structure called the Bowman's capsule. Fluid from the blood flows into Bowman's capsule. The materials filtered from the blood includes water, urea, glucose, salts, amino acids and some vitamins. Plasma proteins, cells and platelets remain in the blood because they are too large to pass through the capillary walls. Then second step, reabsorption. Most of the material removed from the blood at Bowman's capsule makes its way back into the blood. The process in which liquid is taken back into a vessel is called reabsorption. So almost 99% of the water that enters the Bowman's capsule is reabsorbed into the blood. When the filtrate drain into the collecting ducts, most water nutrients have been reabsorbed into the blood.